Welcome back, WeldTube family. I'm Clay Chesham, a pipe welder from Australia. We're back on the set of WeldTube. We've got a treat for you today. 2G 12-inch 375 wall, 6-10 bead, 80-10 hot pass fill and cap. Let's get to it. Okay, so we've got this 12-inch tacked up at a comfortable height for me. Got it tacked in 3 spots with a tight 1.6 spacing and a bit of a land on it, not too much. My technique's pretty similar to going downhill. It's just keep a tight arc and just drag it in there. Should go very similar to downhill route. So I'll just strike on the tack, run off, pick that keyhole up, and I'll just have that rod shoved in there, dragging it around. If that keyhole gets too big, you'll either have to have a remote, turn it down, stop, or you can slow down, see if you can pick it back up. If you can't, pull out, turn your amps down, restart, dress your start and get off with it. Today I'm only doing half the pipe just for time's sake and demonstration purposes, but the principle will work for the entirety of the pipe. The hot pass with the 4mm at approximately just got to whip it forward and hold that arc up the top so you get the build up more on the top, because gravity will pull the whirlpool down. You just want everything flush. The flusher it is now, the better your cap will go on, and the better your cap goes on, the better it'll look. The capping's similar to downhill, just little cursive E's, but the pause is at the top of the E. Or backwards E's, however you like to say it. Just as long as that pause is at the top, it should end up flush, not any overroll. There you go, guys. This 2G position, 12-inch butt, done pretty well. I'd like to thank WeldTube for giving me the awesome opportunity to come out here and show you guys a little bit of what I do. Like, subscribe to the channel and follow on all social medias. And I'm Clay Chesham, a pipeline welder from Australia. You can follow me on Instagram as well at Chesham Welding. Cheers.